Hey guys, welcome to the Slumber Yard. I'm Wes, and in today's video we're talking about how Casper compares to Purple, and more specifically we're looking at the Purple Original and how it compares to the Casper One Foam mattress. So in this video I'm going to touch on everything that you need to know about these beds, put them head to head, and at the end try to have a final verdict. But let's not waste any time and get right into it. Alright, so before I get into everything that you need to know about these beds, I do want to say that both Casper and Purple sent us these mattresses for free to review and tell you guys about them, but if you order either online, they'll be backed by the following policies, starting with free shipping, then you'll have a sleep trial of 100 nights with either one. If you don't absolutely love the mattresses, you can get a return option, but hopefully you do like them, and if so, they're both backed by a 10-year warranty, which is pretty much the standard that we've seen in the online mattress space. And if you need to read up on any more of these policy details, check down below in that description box. But let's just jump right into this comparison and talk about our first bed, which is the Purple Original. Now, if you look at this bed's construction, it has a layer of support foam on the bottom, then above that is a transition layer, and that's basically separating the two layers from the bed's main comfort foam layer, which is hyperelastic polymer or the Purple grid. Now, this whole construction adds up to give the Purple mattress a really unique feel. It's kind of unlike anything else in the online mattress space. So when you go to lay down on a Purple mattress, it'll kind of feel soft and firm at the same time. That hyperelastic polymer material is basically laid out in a grid format. It's really stretchy, spongy, and bouncy, for lack of a better term. But when you lay on it, it'll provide a lot of support if you're on your back or your stomach. But if you do switch to your side, it will pretty much provide a lot of pressure relief as well. So it's kind of like a hybrid between multiple feels in one, and that's why we say it's so unique. Now, I should mention that the Purple mattress does have a really divisive feel. Most people that we've had try it out over here at the Slumber Yard either love it or hate it. There's not very much middle ground, so just know that going in. And in terms of this bed's firmness, this is one area where it will be accommodating. It's right around a medium on our firmness scale, so it should work for all sleeper types, back, stomach, side, and combination. And if you're not looking for a bed with that medium firmness, but you still want something with a Purple unique feel, you can check out some of the other beds from Purple. They have a ton, basically too much to mention in this video, but we'll link some helpful videos down below in that description box if you want to learn more about them. So now let's talk about some X factors for Purple. And since that hyperelastic polymer layer is laid out in a grid format, there's tons of room for air to circulate through the mattress, which will provide a lot of airflow and maybe even cool you down while you sleep. Now, though this isn't an active cooling bed, since the bed does have such good airflow, it's always making our best beds for hot sleepers list. Now, in terms of price, the Purple retails for around the $1,400 mark for the queen size, but as of when I'm recording this video, you should be able to pick it up for right around the $1,100 mark. So if you do want to save some money with Purple, check down below in that description box. But now let's jump on to the next bed, and that would be the Casper One mattress. Now, this is another simple 3-layer all-foam bed with dense support foam on the bottom. Then you have a transition layer of Casper's Align memory foam, and then above that is a more responsive comfort foam layer, which is known as Casper's Breathe Flex foam. But overall, this bed's just going to have a feel that's going to be a dense, firm, neutral foam one. Now, Casper beds in the past have always had more of a soft neutral foam feel, but this one will be a little bit more dense and firm, and that's also going to be reflected in the bed's firmness. So we would place the Casper One right at a medium firm, maybe even a tinge firmer than that. So this will be a great bed for strict back and stomach sleepers, or anyone who's just looking for a firm bed. When you go to lay down on the Casper One mattress, you won't sink in as much, and you're not going to feel a ton of pressure relief, especially compared to something like a Purple mattress, but that might be something that you're looking for if you do want something a bit firmer. And just know that all beds will soften up as you use them, so you might want to start with something a bit firmer and let it get a little softer if you do want something, firm in general. The Casper One compared to the Casper Original is a pretty big change. They're definitely not a one-to-one comparison. If you want something that is closer to that original Casper's feel and firmness, you should check out the Casper Dream mattress. But again, we're talking about the Casper One in this video, so if you do want any information about the Dream mattress, we will link some videos down below in that description box so you can learn all about that. But back to the Casper One, let's talk about price, so how much you're going to be paying for this mattress. And as of when I'm recording this video, you should be able to pick up a queen size for right around the $1,000 mark after discount. So you will be saving about $100 going the route of Casper over Purple. And again, any discounts we have with either of these brands will be linked down below. But that is the short story when comparing Purple to Casper, so let's give you our team's final verdict. Well, I would check out the Purple mattress if you want an all-foam bed with a really unique feel that's right around a medium, and you want a bed with some good airflow. Or check out the Casper One Foam if you want something around a medium firmness with more of a dense firm feel, and you want to save the most amount of money possible. But that's just what we think over here at the Slumber Yard, Would you guys try any one of these mattresses? Write us down below in the comments. We would love to hear from you. And if you happen to enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, and you can always subscribe for so much more. But that's going to do it for this one. I'm Wes, wishing you a good night's sleep.